Within the lush green agricultural Dapi Township of Yunlin County in Taiwan is Nextland. What appears to be a cultural and creative park is actually a meat cutting and processing plant, as well as an agricultural museum. The site has already been visited by research and investigative teams from all over the world. Its parent company is one of Taiwan's major suppliers of animal nutrition and healthcare products, Nice Garden Industries. Chairman Hank Wu has been in the agricultural and livestock industry for more than 4 decades and is also known as the father of famed international fashion designer Jason Wu. The day after completing my military training, I joined the Cyanamid Taiwan Corporation, whose main product was the feed supplement Orofac. I was assigned to develop new clients, making visits to different farms. I don't think farms are dirty. I'm quite comfortable with the surroundings. I worked in Taoyuan for more than a year before I was relocated to Kaohsiung. The 3rd year, I was moved back to the main office in Taipei, and after a year returned to doing field sales. This kind of exposure and training gave me an understanding of the customer dynamics within the livestock industry. In this first job after completing his degree in animal husbandry, Chairman Wu was grateful for the training he received from Cyanamid Taiwan. With Nice Garden, he insisted on importing and selling products that were not in direct competition with his former employer. Gradually, his company was able to establish its own reputation in the field of animal nutrition and healthcare. In 1997, the foot and mouth disease epidemic struck Taiwan, and Chairman Wu led his team to develop and implement drastic countermeasures. The foot and mouth diseases erupted, followed by the accession of Taiwan to the WTO, resulting in some major companies leaving Taiwan or streamlining their scale of operations. This is our home, this is our root. We had to expand our business even during those difficult times. So our company decided to invest in our own manufacturing plant that adheres to European Union and DSM specifications, forming strategic partnerships with them as we develop our own brands, products that are not in conflict with DSM. Nice Garden evolved from being a trading company to a manufacturer of animal feed supplements. By introducing the DSM technology from the Netherlands, the company was able to establish a system in good manufacturing practice, helping clients customize products according to their requirements under the strictest supervision. The barcode on every pack of feed supplement is traceable and indicates the ingredients and amount of additives. With that, Nice Garden was able to gain clients from some of Taiwan's major animal feed manufacturers. The company also started operating a model livestock farm, implementing good agricultural practice while taking animal welfare into account. In order to avoid bringing contaminants into our farm, we follow a very strict requirement of having every employee wash and change before entering our facilities. All vehicles are also sprayed with disinfectants before entering our plant. Our farms are fully certified for humane practice. Our piglets do not undergo teeth clipping. We also have a free stall system that gives ample space for the sow to move or play around. Toys are provided to prevent them from fighting. Our farrowing crates are Danish-styled. The size can be adjusted front and back. A safety device is also in place to prevent the sow from accidentally sitting on her piglets. In 2012, Nice Garden opened the Wanmi Food Market restaurant, specializing in the use of the simplest preparation methods from locally sourced ingredients. The company also opened its own meat cutting and processing plant. Every employee is properly attired and works under controlled temperature and humidity. The work area was also designed with a glass ceiling, allowing total transparency of the entire process to the general public. This is our commitment. If we're totally transparent to our consumer, it will make our relationship better and our values understood and appreciated. It also serves as a reminder to us that if we don't deliver what we promised, our consumer will find out about it. We set up this plant to be international standard, from separating the raw and cooked sections of products to certification of production and marketing standards. All carcasses delivered to our plant must be at the right temperature before further cutting and processing. The entire cutting process is done in an environment below 15 degrees Celsius. After packing, the products are clearly labeled according to the source, weight, production date, and other vital information before directly delivering to individual restaurants on refrigerated trucks. Another prominent feature of the park is the Nextland Agricultural Museum. Illustrations of primal cuts, figurines of breeds, profiles of raw materials, and various functions of the animal nutrition are presented in dynamic stories. The marketplace features a local produce section, as well as a restaurant providing a robust cultural and creative atmosphere. This used to be a food canning factory. We built upon the old walls and upgraded the rest of the facilities. Not only do we want to be an eco-friendly plant, we want it to be the best of the best. Choice of building materials, carbon emission considerations, electrical power usage. These are all important factors in ensuring an eco-friendly environment. We also wanted our facilities to be of international standard for future export. That's why we spent 3 years building up this plant, to create what we believe is the ideal model for agricultural supply chain. Aside from certifications for animal welfare standard and animal-friendly product extended to its livestock farm Excellent, Nice Garden also received several recognitions from the government. Initiating the green movement within the company, it uses only plant-based ingredients in the feed supplements to reduce animal wastes and uses recyclable packaging materials for its products. With the Green Little Giant Guidance Program, each step of the process, from feed inventory, breeding, farrowing, raising, butchering and cutting, to the delivery process, to various points of sale, is tracked according to temperature control, volume of waste elimination, and overall carbon footprint created. A corporate social responsibility report is then published. Our corporate social responsibility report demonstrates that we as a small medium-sized enterprise, aside from keeping a stable profit margin, should also look after our employees and, more importantly, operate in harmony with the environment. Nextland represents our determination for sustainability, especially now that the livestock industry is shrinking in size and the market size for consumable meat is decreasing. If we're to use only imported produce and disregard the self-sufficiency of our agricultural industry, we may forget our expertise and find it difficult to turn back when we face the problem of food scarcity. Going green, transparency, sustainability are not just words and a slogan. What we aspire for is to demonstrate our company's determination through the actions we take. Nice Garden enables the consolidation of this complex meat supply chain, bringing a safe farm-to-table service and establishing an eco-friendly process for the pig breeding industry. Nice Garden positions itself as the integrator of the livestock and fishery supply chain, with the vision of utilizing information to advance agricultural technology in all of its output. Their vision is to one day market their products to the rest of the world.